The UK is bracing for significant disruption this week as Storm Goretti approaches, with amber weather warnings now in place for heavy snow and severe winds across large parts of the country. Authorities and forecasters have issued alerts urging people to prepare for travel impacts, power disruptions, and hazardous conditions. Storm Goretti, a multi-hazard event. Named by Meteo France, Storm Goretti is expected to sweep in from the southwest, combining heavy snowfall, strong winds, rain and icy conditions in a complex weather system described by the UK Met Office as a multi-hazard event. The storm arrives against the backdrop of already cold weather across much of the UK, increasing risks of travel disruption and other impact. Amber warnings and forecast snow where and when. Amber snow warnings are in force from Thursday evening into Friday morning, covering parts of Wales, the Midlands and South Yorkshire. Snowfall could reach up to 30 centimeters in some areas, particularly in higher ground and central regions, enough to cause severe disruption on roads and railways. Met Office meteorologists warn that even 20 centimeters or more of snow is enough to make travel conditions dangerous, especially where combined with low temperatures and ice. What it means. Amber warnings indicate an increased likelihood of severe impacts compared with standard yellow alerts. They include the possibility of travel delays or cancellations for trains and flights, road closures and stranded vehicles, power cuts, disruption to mobile phone networks, risk to life and property in affected areas, strong winds and coastal hazards. A separate amber wind warning has been issued for parts of Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly, where gusts could reach 80 to 90 miles per hour in exposed locations on Thursday evening. Elsewhere in the southwest, winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour are expected, while stronger gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour are likely across exposed hills and coasts. Such winds could bring dangerous waves, debris, and coastal damage. Other weather alerts across the UK. In addition to the amber warnings, yellow weather warnings for snow and ice cover large swathes of England, Wales, and Scotland at various times. Yellow wind warnings are also in place for parts of southwest England. The extended cold snap has also prompted the UK Health Security Agency to issue amber cold weather health alerts across England until the 11th of January, flagging increased risks for vulnerable populations, including older adults and people with pre-existing conditions. Preparing for impacts. Forecasters and officials are advising the public to take common-sense precautions. Allow extra time for journeys and consider postponing non-essential travel if conditions worsen. Check the latest warnings and local transport updates. Prepare for cold weather effects, such as vehicle battery failures or icy pavements. With the storm expected to move eastwards by Friday, some respite may arrive over the weekend. However, forecasters caution that uncertainty remains in the longer-range forecast, and further warning updates could be issued.